Hi, I'm Mike Mefford.
And I'm Bill Hammerberg with Bridon USA. We are here to do tips and tricks to get your baler ready for the season.
The first maintenance tip we're going to talk about when pulling the baler out of the shed is to check your gearbox oil. Your gearbox oil is checked right here. And we're going to pull that plug right there. And if gearbox oil is barely dripping out, you're good to go. If none is dripping out, you're going to need to add some. The key here is to add 80 weight 90 C&H gear oil. Tip number 2, you want to make sure you grease your baler properly. There are 2 different decals located on the left and right hand side of the baler that will help you identify which grease zerks need grease. Another tip that you want to check when you get your baler out of the shed is you want to make sure your belts are tracking properly. This baler happens to have endless belts, so there are no splices. But if you have a baler with belts that have pins, you want to make sure they're not frayed or worn wherever the splices are. And how we're going to do that is we're going to start this baler, we're going to let it run at a low RPM, and we're going to make sure the belts are tracking properly. If they're not tracking properly, please talk to your dealer or check your operation manual for instructions on how to improve that.